In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change files into binary workbook in Excel. If you work with large spreadsheets, complex formulas, or lots of data, switching to the binary format can make your files open and save faster and often reduce file size, all while preserving your work. First, make sure your workbook is open in Excel. We'll use the built-in options so you don't need any add-ins or special tools. The goal is simply to create a binary version of your current file. Start by going to the File menu. This takes you to Excel's Backstage view, where all the key file operations live. It's the same place you'd go to print, share, or check workbook info, and it's where the format change begins. Next, choose Save As. This creates a new copy, leaving your original file unchanged. It's a safe way to experiment with formats without risking your current version, which is especially helpful if you're working on something important or time-sensitive. Now, look for the Save As type, sometimes labeled File Format depending on your platform. Open that list and change it to Excel Binary Workbook. You'll see the extension noted as .xlsb. Selecting this tells Excel to store your workbook in a binary structure rather than the default XML-based .xlsx format. What does that mean for you? The binary .xlsb format is optimized for performance. It frequently results in smaller files, which are quicker to open and save, noticeable on large models with many formulas, pivot tables, or Power Query outputs. Your worksheets, formulas, formatting, charts, and data validation rules all remain intact. If your file contains macros, .xlsb supports them just like a macro-enabled workbook would, and your standard macro security settings still apply. You'll also find that recalculation and navigation can feel snappier with very large datasets. Many teams use .xlsb for daily operational workbooks that grow over time, precisely because of these performance gains. The new copy's file name will show the .xlsb extension, so you can easily tell it apart from your original. A couple of practical notes. Most modern versions of Excel open .xlsb without any issues. However, some external systems or preview tools may prefer .xlsx, so consider your sharing scenario. If you collaborate with others, you can keep a binary working copy for speed, and when needed, create a separate .xlsx version for systems that require it. That's all there is to it. Go to File, choose Save As, then change the Save As type to Excel Binary Workbook. With that simple change, you'll keep your content and gain performance where it counts.